Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Today I have my last plan with me. I may do some of them because I have all these pages like mock plan with me's here and there, probably mostly on Instagram. But my first official one or last official one for 2021 or 2020. See, I'm trying to make it 2021 already. I'm using the Goodbye 2020 and the mini kit, and I have the extra sheet, and I remembered date covers, guys. I remembered date covers. Woohoo! So let's just get right into this and put these date covers down and get going. So I just filmed another video. It is the setup video for my Sweet Cry design. I think I'm gonna put that one first and put this one on Wednesday instead of Monday, just to be a little different. And I'm just so excited to share how I did it. So yeah, but this is super cute. I can't believe this year is finally almost over. It's about time. I know lots of people are ready for it to be over. Mine wasn't terrible. It could have been a lot worse. I am thankful that we had moved to Oklahoma at the end of January. So we're not stuck in LA. That would have been crazy. My friends that are there, it's just nuts. So I'm very thankful that we are kind of in a way out in the middle of nowhere, where it's a college town, but it's compared to what LA was, definitely. So I forgot to bring birthday stickers. And I forgot to bring my scissors. If you didn't watch the setup video, one, why not? Just kidding. And two, then you won't know that I have a new ring light. My dad bought me one for Christmas, and so it's just so much easier now to film, and I can film at night. I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to worry about big bulky stands. It's all literally right here, and it's awesome. So very excited. Okay, next we are going to put I'm gonna put the Happy New Year one down on Friday before I forget, because you know me, I will forget. And then we're going to do our sidebar with this one. We're just going to do all the fun things. And this one. Okay, we got all the fun stuff. So first is we're going to put our supper down. I did it the other day. Sorry about the jump in the video. My phone filled up and I didn't hear it or see it because it's on vibrate and do not disturb. So I have the basic layout done. I think it's super cute. And I was gonna use butterfly headers, but there's just not enough room. So we won't. Oh, not a huge deal. Before I forget though, I do want to put my New Year's Eve sticker. This was an oops set, so I'm gonna put that right there, kind of overlapping. New Year's Eve, woohoo. So next I want to put, I have a meeting. Let's do payday. We're just gonna put it right in the middle. And then I have a meeting on Tuesday at 1. So I'm excited about that. It's a business meeting and it's pretty exciting stuff. It's about the shop, so that's why it's a business meeting. Let's see what else. I don't have new releases this week. I did release a couple of new things this last weekend, so check out the shop. There are things like a weight loss tracker, a savings tracker, some tabs, things like that. If you want to see them, and check out my setup video for my new planner. Yeah, so let's see what else. There's really not that much. Oh, I said I needed a birthday sticker. I think there's one on here. I have the clinking glasses, reminder. I'll do the clinking glasses. But it is my friend John's birthday. And I can just put that there on Tuesday. It's my friend's husband's birthday. Maybe a little weird that I put it in there, but that's okay. I think I'm also going to put a to-do list on Tuesday and one on just to have like if you don't know, I kind of make them like for the week, and if I need another one, I'll put one in, but it doesn't have to be specifically for Tuesday. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one in a new planner, and it'll be a new year. Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you so much. And God bless. Bye.